Okay, here's a question that we are asked to solve for x. So we're doing this question right here. So I'm asked to solve for x. If there's a cube in it, then I'm probably thinking that it's a group factor thing. So here I've got two terms, and then there I've got two terms. So I'm going to group factor each of them. Out of the first two, I think I can take an x squared, leaving me with 8x plus I take all of that out, but I have to divide, so x squared divided x squared is a 1. Okay, in the next one, there's nothing that'll factor out of either of those, but I have to take something. And if there's a negative out front, I take a negative 1. Okay, and if I divide each of those by negative 1, I get an 8x and plus 1. Okay, equals 0. So that's part of the group factoring. Now, since these are the same, I can factor those out front, and then I'm left with this piece, x squared minus 1 equals 0. X squared minus 1 is a difference of squares, so I can reduce that to x minus 1 and x plus 1 equals 0. And now it looks like I'm going to have three answers. So 8x plus 1 equals 0, x minus 1 is 0, or x plus 1 is 0. And then for each of those, I get 8x equals a negative 1, x equals negative 1/8, x equals 1, x equals negative 1. So those are my three answers. Okay, hopefully that helps you with a question where they ask you to solve, and to tell which one you're doing, you look for four terms. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, then it's most likely group factoring. Okay, hope that helps.